Tesla was a beautiful trade today all day long. This was 1 hour MTF cloud. You see it's staying bullish. 1 hour MTF cloud, 1 hour MTF cloud, staying over the bullish. So what was the plan on Tesla? Tesla was over day 2 setup. 1 hour MTF reclaim, that's bullish. Long if 350 holds, inside candle, watch the flow. But as soon as the Tesla started to bounce over the MTF, the traders in my community, everybody started to mention the calls, and this is your long here. Remember, over 350 you long it. You long it, first stops 350. I told the traders to long, use stops 351 now. You long here this breakout, pre-market high breakout, your stops are 351. The two targets I gave was 355, 356. We hit the 356 target in half an hour. First target met, then we flagged, and I told the traders we are going for 100% ATR. It actually traded for 170% ATR, and then it breaks the flag, keeps going on. You can trade shares, you slowly scale out, scale out, scale out. You don't just cut your last position until the 512 clouds break. Even if you had 100 shares, thousands of dollars, risking few $100. If you were trading options, 355 calls. They ran all the way from $3 to $13. That's a 300% gain there. You could always buy the further lottos with your profit. But then the Tesla came here right at this level. You see this 360 level, and it did not break it. So I told the trader it held 512. The next target I gave everybody 367.71, and we hit our 367.71. That's why when we got these rejections, and this is where the curl was, that's when I told the traders curl, and I said we're gonna squeeze the shorts and we're gonna go higher, and then continue to push on Tesla. Amazing alert by the flow. Like I said in the pre-market, you have to watch the flow. So these are the game-changing returns that you can have from these trade setups. The power of the Ripster MTF clouds. You just need to stay patient. You just need to find a good entry and hold all day long and do not buy. Respect the clouds. That's how you could turn your $1,000 into $5,000 in a single day if you're trading options. That's how you could risk $500 but still make $4,000 or $5,000 with your risk reward. Because if I lose, I'm losing the same amount. If I'm losing $500 every time, and I'm making $1,000, $2,000, that's a good risk reward. That's what I want to repeat, and that's how the trade on Tesla was today. And we do not short it. The noob trader short it. In my community, nobody ever gets squeezed because we do not short anything which is over 512 clouds. Period. TEM has always been our high focus hot list play. TEM has received FDA clearance. 1 hour MTF, long over 1 hour MTF. So as soon as I push it over the 1 hour MTF, you long it, you put your stops under that. The targets I gave on the TEM was all-time highs, and then I think we did hit closer to that all-time high, 1906. You trade it right away at the long, take it over 1 hour MTF, over yesterday highs, hold it long all the way to all-time highs. Was a beautiful trade as well. This was a trade with MTF clouds, and you see that clearly we mentioned the pre-market to long over 1 hour MTF. This is the power of the MTF clouds, guys. Circle was a great day to winner for us. Another 1 hour MTF breakout. I was on the long side in the morning on the voice, and you could see the circle broke out of the 1 hour MTF. This is called the MTF magnet setup. From one MTF to the other MTF, that's an MTF magnet. It did break the second MTF later in the day as well. So market is just so bullish, guys. You're getting this insane amount of setups. Use the Ripster cloud system. Keep your losers small. Definitely you're gonna have big winners, and this is amazing market to trade in.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.